So now I am going to give you feedback for writing text 2. From next time, you could have written your questions here in the offsides. Okay, from over here, something, right? Especially for text 2, because the question is quite short. Uh, okay, let's go. Looking at the growing competition among countries, seems the economy is an backward of company. So many mistakes. Can you write "and" before backbone? You have to write "of." Looking at the growing competition among countries, you have to remove either "seems" or "looking." Looking at the, see, धेरै कम्पिटिसन ग्रोइङ कम्पिटिसन कन्ट्रिजहरूमा हेर्दाखेरि द इकोनोमी इज अ ब्याकबोन अफ अ कन्ट्री. So it is a backbone of a country. So when a country is here, you have to write the backbone of a country. It is considered that governments are only focusing on domestic gross domestic product. It is gross domestic product, which others thinks that environmental conditions, security, happiness should also be measured, which others, where others think that okay. I partially, why you write P capital? So it seems you have done so many past practice and you haven't improved your writing. I'm really afraid. You do simple mistakes. I partially agree with the statement and both views are discussed in essay. This part is not good. This part is not good. First of all, your ideas. Uh, okay. Now this is your first body paragraph. Economic progress is mostly measured by health, education, infrastructure, GDP, which are very crucial to measure the growth of a company. Okay, so I have already told you in your body paragraph, don't do listing in your first sentence, right? First of all, tell what is this paragraph about. Is it about advantage, disadvantage? You have to write it in the first line, and then from second line, first talk about health. Health is one of the major concerns. You can say that health is one of the major concerns. Talk about health. And then after, another factor to consider is education and talk about it. Two main ideas, that's enough for your body paragraph. Don't have four main ideas, right? Waste. It is not, because you also have to give supporting reasons. If you have four main ideas, then how are you going to get, you have to write very long, right? Now let me see your conclusion. Okay, body paragraph 2. Okay, I'll see only your conclusion. To sum up, why you write in this side, you have to write over here. To sum up, although the economic form should be calculated to watch whether the country is improving health, education, income over seasons, and at the same, where is your another part? Same time, countries should look from the different perspective to measure population, pollution, climate change, which are not measured in economic terms. You have given a listing, so many listing. That's not a good idea, right? सो अब हाउ यु निड टु इम्प्रुभ अब के गर्नु पऱ्यो भन्दाखेरि तपाईँको हेर्नु त यो मेन सुरुमा चाहिँ आइडियाजहरू अर्गनाइजेसन गर्नुमा एकदम प्रब्लम छ आइडियाहरू तपाईँले अर्गनाइज राम्रोसँग प्लानिङ गर्नु मेन आइडिया के राख्ने सपोर्टिङ आइडिया के राख्ने भनेर त्यसैमा तपाईँको एकदम कन्फ्युजन छ कुन चाहिँ मेन आइडिया कुन चाहिँ सपोर्टिङ आइडिया भन्ने क्लियर छैन है त्यो गरिसकेपछि अनि तपाईँको एन्ड जस्तै सिम्पल हेर्नु त अ लेख्ने ठाउँमा एन लेख्नु भएको छ एन लेख्नुपर्ने ठाउँमा अ लेख्नु भएको छ क्यापिटल लेटर गर्नुपर्ने ठाउँमा क्यापिटल लेटर गर्नु भएको छैन नगर्नुपर्ने ठाउँमा गर्नु भएको छ ह्यान्ड राइटिङ पनि इम्प्रुभ भएको छैन एकदम तपाईँ अहिले फ्री टाइम पनि हो तपाईँको त्यही भएर एकदम फुल टाइम दिएर राम्रोसँग प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु तपाईँ धेरै प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु सक्नुभयो त्यही पनि मैले जति गाइड गरेँ तपाईँको इम्प्रुभ भएको छैन मलाई तपाईँको एक्जाममा एकदम डर लागिरहेको छ है एकदम अहिले तपाईँको 5.5 मात्र आउँछ एकदम प्लानिङ गरेर अलिकति टाइम दिएर धेरै प्र्याक्टिस गरेर पनि हुँदैन हुन त तपाईँले रेगुलर प्र्याक्टिस गरिरहनु भएको छ तर अलिकति सिरियस भएर एकदम पहिला आइडियाज क्लियर हुनु पऱ्यो मेन आइडिया सपोर्टिङ आइडिया एक्जामिनरलाई क्लियरली आइडेन्टिफाई गर्नु पऱ्यो दिस इज माई मेन आइडिया दिस इज द सपोर्टिङ आइडिया यो बडी प्याराग्राफ भनेको यो एडभान्टेजको बारेमा हो भनेर सुरुमा क्लियरिफाई गर्ने लिस्टिङ नगर्ने त्यसको बारेमा फर्स्ट मेन आइडिया लेख्ने त्यसको बारेमा सपोर्टिङ आइडिया लेख्ने त्यसरी एक्जाम्पल पनि राख्ने सेकेन्ड बडी प्याराग्राफमा त्यसरी गर्नुपर्छ एकदम पुअर राइटिङ छ